Did you know that over 80% of growers experience devastating plant diseases that could wipe out their entire crop? What if I told you there's a solution that not only combats those pesky pathogens, but also boosts your plant's health like never before? As a grower in the farming, greenhouse, or cannabis industry, you know the struggle. The problem? Harmful pathogens like powdery mildew and root rot are lurking, ready to attack. Infected plants can lead to significant crop loss, which means less income for you. Traditional treatments often include harmful chemicals, putting your harvest and even your health at risk. But here's the kicker. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. If left unchecked, these diseases can spell disaster for your entire operation. Imagine walking into your greenhouse and finding your prized plants wilting, covered in mold. Consider the money you've invested in seeds, fertilizers, and labor only to see it all go up in smoke because of a preventable infection. The stress and frustration, off the charts. And let's not forget the added pressure of staying compliant with organic standards. Using harsh chemicals can ruin your organic certification, impacting your reputation and sales. You deserve better than that. A solution that protects your plants and your livelihood without compromising your ethics. That's why we created Grower's Choice Plant Guard, the revolutionary organic solution for complete plant organic protection from seed to harvest. Ready to grow your income while helping plants thrive? Join our Grower's Choice Plant Guard affiliate program and earn 20% commission on every sale. With our industry-leading non-toxic solution, you'll be promoting a product that not only combats pesky pathogens like powdery mildew and root rot, but also champions organic farming. Why just nurture plants when you can nurture your wallet too? Plus, invite your friends to the Green Revolution. Earn an extra 5% on their sales. It's a win-win for growers everywhere.